Hi everyone, in today's video I would like to show you how to delete your Snapchat account permanently. For this, go to your Snapchat, then click on setting. Now scroll down and in the support section go to I need help. Now scroll down again and select managing my account. Delete or reactivate my account. How do I delete my Snapchat account? Now scroll down again and go to the accounts portal. Click on this. Here, give your password and please keep in mind that after 30 days your account will be deleted. So that's it guys. If this video helped you, please don't forget to subscribe and thanks for watching.